What's up, everybody? This is your boy, Dr. Favors. Welcome back to another episode of Essential Coaching. And on this episode, I'm going to talk to you all about this Bitcoin. What is going on with Bitcoin, and what does mindset have to do with Bitcoin and your ability to gain riches? Let's jump right into it. All right, guys, welcome back. Mindset plus Bitcoin equals riches. All right. Now, let me just say this. You all know I'm a coach and I'm not a financial advisor, so I can't tell you what to buy, hold, or sell. But one thing I can do is tell you what we've been doing over here in the camp. And since last year, we've been DCAing, dollar cost averaging, into this piece and into some other things, right? We got some ETFs. You all know I still trade Forex, still trade stocks. But in this space, I find myself sharing with some of my high-end clients, my elite coaching clients. They're asking, well, what is it? How do you know this? And I say, this is the reason why I took coaching to the next level, if you will. Because think about it. If you don't have a mindset to understand what's the difference between financial independence, financial freedom, and what does financial security really mean, then it's going to cause you to have a different mindset interpreting the financial data and entering trades on the market. So the mindset piece comes in like this, you all. First of all, you want to have a long-term goal versus a short-term goal. Now, don't get me wrong. I understand you got to have cash flow. You got to have certain things of that nature. But I play the game to win. I play the game for longevity, which means I play the game to secure financial freedom. Well, Favors, how do we secure financial freedom? There's a game out there, you all, by Robert Kiyosaki called Cash Flow. Strongly suggest that you get the game, okay? It's Monopoly on steroids. Better, way better. Because in Monopoly, in order for you to win, you got to develop a monopoly, which is kick everybody off the board. In Cash Flow, it's more so directing you and teaching you, y'all. It's not a game, but it's really a game of life. It's like chess. But it's teaching you how to get out of the rat race, living from check to check, working from check to check, and having expenses, children, setbacks, and all of that is designed into this game. It's a bomb game. Matter of fact, I'm gonna put a picture up for it right here. That's it right there. Now, what it does is it teaches you how to make enough investments so that your investments gives you financial freedom. Once you make enough investments to cover your lifestyle and your monthly expenses, then you're out of the rat race, and you're still working at this point. This is where the concept, people, came to me, that in order to become wealthy, you got to save more and spend less so you have money to invest, which means your living cannot be more than 49.999% of your income. Otherwise, you are over leveraged. So then watch. If my income is $8,000 a month, then my monthly expenses, if you really want to be, financially independent, which is being able to take care of yourself without needing loans or help or assistance from no one. If you want to be financially independent, you all, then what you need to do is make sure that your earnings is half the mark, okay? Now, if you do this, especially starting at a young age, then you'll never be broke a day in your life unless a real bad catastrophe happens. Now watch this. Let's get into this, because now you understand what financial independence is, financial freedom is, only investments, right? So here's what you have to do. When it comes to Bitcoin, you all, I was dollar cost averaging even last year, all right? I'm going to just tell you my plays. I looked at Bitcoin. I looked at Shiba Inu. Of course, y'all know Doge to the moon. I never forgot about Doge, though. And then, of course, Ethereum. Now, they got a lot of other coins out here. Bonk is out here. Avalanche is out here. A lot of other altcoins is what they call them. Then you got meme coins. But the reason why it takes mindset to understand this is because you have to have a way of approaching the market. So watch. If I'm just trying to get in and get out, which is called scalping as a trader, then I'm going to try to jump in, get some money, and then pull out real quick. Well, what happens when you do that, people, is that if you get in at the wrong time, which is right now, right, peaking, you see a lot of bull momentum. We started the second phase because the halving is coming around April. And that's, if you study Bitcoin, you'll know every 4 years, it halves, right? So it started at 10, then it goes to 5, then 2.5, And for example, every 4 years, all the way down to where it's done, because Satoshi and them, or who, not Satoshi, but the guy who created Bitcoin, said that they wanted to decrease it to make things fair. Okay, so y'all go do some research on that. I'm not here to go that deep, but what I want you to understand is your mindset, your ability to look at your future, right? Your ability to understand where you want to be says, if I play the long game, then I can dollar cost average and leave it alone. I do not have to look at it every day. I do not have to look at it 7, 8 times a day. All I have to do is put it in there and forget it, because I know what's getting ready to happen within the next 18 months. So what's getting ready to happen in the next 18 months? Bitcoin, you all, after the halving, 400 to 500 days afterwards, if you do the research and you really pay attention, it shoots through the roof. Because every time you came up, you have the first cycle of the bull run, the second cycle, then the halving. It dropped a little bit, then it took off. 16, 20 did the same thing. Now it's 2024. It's going to hit. We're in the second cycle of the bull rush. So that means the second wave. Sometimes the market moves in waves of 3. For those of you who've been through my Forex training, you already know what this is. So anyway, it's moving like that. It's moving in those pieces. And so we're in that second wave of the bull. So it's going to happen. All right. You're going to get a lot of people going to make some real good money. I'm talking about some of y'all. If you play this play right, once again, I can't tell you what to do. I'm playing to win. So I'm dollar cost averaging. I'm kind of upping my stakes a little bit on some of my plays. But I'm going to tell you right now, guys, some of you are going to experience some things like never before, but you have to know when to get in. So here's what it is. It takes a mindset, the right mindset, to say, you know, I'm going to invest my money here. I'm going to put it in, and then I'm going to let it run for a little while, and then I'm going to take it out. You have to know. One of the most important pieces about being a trader, and you all are all traders. You may trade your time for money. You may not trade Forex or stocks or options like I do, but you're still a trader because you're trading time for money. So the key, or the name of the game, is entry and exit strategies. Now, here's what I'm going to do. I don't want to go too deep into this right now, but as you all can see, I have to talk about it, because the right mindset with the right investment is going to yield you a serious return and possibly make a lot of you all rich in this season. You're going to hear it. You're going to see it, because everybody is flocking to it. I mean, they even crashed Coinbase yesterday, you know, and because of everything that's going on, because all the retail people are jumping into Bitcoin right now, y'all. And so my hope is that when it was low, see, here's the theory right here, real quick. You buy low and you sell high. But a lot of people jumping in high, thinking they're going to scalp it and it's going to pull back down. You got to be able to handle a 10, 20, 30%, 40% pullback if you plan. Now, if you playing the long game, you can handle that. But if you playing a short game, what's going to happen? It's going to pull back. There's people who scared. They're going to get out, and I'm going to be getting in, getting some more, and it's going to shoot back up. Some pundits say Bitcoin is going to reach 100, 150,000. Some of them even saying 1 million within the next certain amount of time. Now, I don't know about 1 million, but I do believe Bitcoin, the way it is now, and when that halving happens, it's going to be like a scarcity. You got BlackRock, you got some of the other big companies, Grayscale, and they're buying up hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of Bitcoin. So what I'm doing, once again, I can't tell you what to do. What I'm doing for my family, I'm securing us a piece of that pie. And so think about it. Retirement, however you want to do it, dollar cost average. Now, here's the thing I'm going to tell you, and I'm going to be done. It doesn't take a whole lot of money, guys. Dollar cost average over a short period of time with the right understanding, the right information, the right mindset. This is why I believe in coaching and mentoring is so strong, because if I teach you, if someone, or even not me, if someone can teach you the mindset and the philosophy of an investor, how do you approach it? You know, how you control your emotions, how you never operate in FOMO, man, then you'll see yourself really developing that life of freedom that you want. So, guys, this is my piece right here. So, guys, this is what I came to tell you all very quickly this morning. I tried to get this video out earlier, but I had a few meetings that ran over. At any rate, please do your research. Go looking to see why Bitcoin and the blockchain is so important. And you're going to see me doing more of these type of videos because, once again, I'm coaching. I know some people may need that. So if you're interested in that, you all, I'm going to tell you like this. It was a pleasure, and it is a pleasure to be able to come on here and give you all community content, which is the free information, because I know we all need it. But for those of you who are savvy enough, who understand that, you know what, Faves, I follow you, man. You really be dropping them nuggets on us. Then you want to say, well, how can I get this information on a regular basis? Y'all, we got book clubs, we got courses, we got digital ways of doing this. You know, we are phygital, which means I'm physically in my office, where if you see the chairs and stuff behind me, y'all, we have meetings in here. I have a group of people coming in here, and I do teachers and training. Whiteboard right there, the large 50 screen TV, 65, whatever, 50 something, whatever. It's right here so that I can see all you all. And we really get it in, so you don't have to physically be here in Jacksonville. What I'm saying, this is why I'm so stoked, I'm so jazzed about mentorship, because having the right mindset when you're approaching life-changing situations, y'all, is key to your ability to get success. So with that being said, you all, once again, thank you for tuning in, y'all. Don't forget to check out the podcast of Essential Coaching with Doc Favors, and we appreciate everything that's going on. So guys, you all, hey, do your research, get it in, drop some comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you all next time.